Good evening, Anna Verne. Welcome. It's Live Lounge Thursday, and Stella Anderson Project are ready for their second song. Guys, how was that first one?
It's absolutely awesome. Really,
It sounded
absolutely awesome. Really fun playing here too.
it sounded incredible in here, and the mix of keyboards. Because obviously, for those who are not seeing it, because we will release the videos probably over the next few days, towards the weekend. We film it. Obviously, Holly, welcome back as well. It's nice to have Holly back. But obviously, we've got Wayne and Holly in the studio, and they do all the magic. They do all the editing and things like that. You know, I think we have about 4 cameras running as well. But yeah, just so people know at home, we've got 2 keyboards side by side. Chris is on one, and Stella is on the other. And it just, to have 2 keyboards playing at the same time, it sounded incredible. Yeah, really, really good. So the second song, what's your second song?
Okay, so this is our latest single. It was released about a month ago. This is a slightly darker one.
Okay.
This is where we move into our more dramatic, theatrical side.
Yep.
So this song is about a lady who turns up to get revenge at her own funeral. And it's called Wicked Woman.
Right, all yours. Enjoy.
Stands on high, near the sky, a wicked look in her eyes. No one can see, no one cares. As they gather, she begins to stare. The clouds move in to change the light. The daylight turns to blackest night. Whisper in the air, but you can hear it everywhere. The notes that cannot be unheard, seeking a vengeance with every word. Every word, they start to wake. Every note, the world to shake. A wicked woman knows no bounds. They don't know what's coming round. They don't have to wait that long until she sings a devil's song. Day turns to endless night. The fear takes away their sight. They don't know she stares. A wicked woman knows no bounds. They don't know what's coming round. They don't have to wait that long until she sings a devil's song. A wicked woman knows no bounds. They don't know what's coming round. They don't have to wait that long until she sings a devil's song. Until she sings a devil's song.
Playing the very best music that's allowed on the air. Carl Mott live in the Bradford studio. This is St. Luke's Sound.